The question is, what is the project management plan? Well, the project management plan is a document that helps you organize your approach for leading the project. It's your how-to guide. Now, I want to emphasize this. It's going to help everybody clearly see how this project's going to be run. Look at that right there, your how-to guide, how you're going to manage this project from the beginning all the way to the end, okay? Right here at the top of planning, that's where we make it, and it's going to nail down everything that's going to guide you and the team. What's the methodology you're going to use? What are the roles and responsibilities? What software are you going to use? How are you going to manage your documents? When are you guys going to meet? What's the cadence there? What are the team norms? How are you going to monitor performance? And how are you going to close this project down the right way? All those things are defined for the entire project. It's your how-to guide. I keep saying it to emphasize it. Now, it's the big picture approach for how you're going to manage everything. That's really clear. Now, the details, you're going to have a high-level project management plan. Then you have little micro subsidiary plans for how you're going to lead each individual knowledge area. Now, you might have a scope management plan. This is your approach for managing your scope. Boom, how-to guide. In schedule, you're going to say, here's our approach for managing our schedule. We're going to build a schedule management plan. Let's keep it going. Cost. Your approach for managing costs. What do you think you call it? A cost management plan. You got them for everything. Quality, stakeholders, everything, procurement. These plans are what you need. So what is a project management plan? It's your how-to guide.